Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we will add Web Clipper to our Chrome. Uh, so let's get straight into it. So what is Evernote Web Clipper? Is a simple extension for your web browser that lets you capture full-page articles, images, selected text, important emails, and any web page that inspires you. So what we need to do is go here to the Evernote, put into the Google Evernote uh, Web Clipper, and you will get to this website. So what you need to do now? So here you see Chrome, Firefox, Safari. Click on that, and you will be redirected here to this Chrome Web Store, and you will press here Add to Chrome. After you do that, you will get this extension right over here. Pin it, so pin it like that, and you will get clip to Evernote. So what you can do now is go here, for example, on one website. So I went to the Wikipedia. After you are on the website, click on this green elephant, and here you can see how you can save this clip format. So what you will do, if it's article, multi-selected, simplified article, full page, bookmark, screen, you will choose that. Save wherever you want. If you have more organized, then very good. Text, task tag, notes, or comments. And when you're done, you can press save clip. So this will save to Evernote. If you want to organize your clip into a different notebook, uh, add 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 some tags and comments. You can do that easily right before you clip in. So yeah, this is basically it. Why is this Evernote Web Click useful? So if you found out this helpful, so here you can see that we have now one note from this Wikipedia website, and it's saved right over here. So I hope this helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. It will help a lot. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.